How to download movies on Paramount Plus for offline viewing. Step 1. Ensure you have the right subscription plan. Only Paramount Plus with Showtime subscribers can download movies and shows for offline viewing. The Essential plan does not include the download feature. Step 2. Use a compatible device. Offline downloads are available only on mobile devices, iOS and Android, not available on smart TVs, web browsers, gaming consoles, or streaming devices. Step 3. Update the Paramount Plus app. Open the App Store, iPhone.iPad, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Paramount Plus and tap Update if a new version is available. Step 4. Find downloadable content. Open the Paramount Plus app and sign in. Browse for movies or TV shows with a download icon, downward arrow next to them. Not all content is available for offline viewing due to licensing restrictions. Step 5. Download a movie or show. Tap the download icon next to the movie or episode you want. The download will start automatically and appear in your download section. Step 6. Access your downloaded content. Open the Paramount Plus app and go to Downloads in the menu. Tap on any movie or episode to start watching offline. Step 7. Manage storage and expiration. Downloads expire after 30 days if not watched and 48 hours once started. To delete a movie, go to Downloads, select the content, and tap Remove to free up space. Downloading movies on Paramount Plus with Showtime allows you to watch content offline anytime, making it perfect for travel, commuting, or areas with limited internet access.